AfroReggae and People's Palace Project's been working in the UK since 2006. Really just trying to find ways in which we can transfer what AfroReggae refer to as their social technology of the arts. The way in which the arts can operate and do things, can inspire beyond the stage.
They showed a presentation to us about their work in Brazil and how they've made a difference in their communities with the arts and inclusion with the community, using music to combat the oppression in the slums of Rio.
We met people, like-minded people, and I think that's good. That itself is good for the soul, that you see people, other people out there in the same field as you, in the same route.
And People's Palace have stayed in touch with all of that, so it's not like we just did one project and then that was it and we had to do everything ourselves. I think PPP have kind of been facilitating that journey the whole way through. There was a weekend that People's Palace Project put on at Southbank for all of the cultural warriors around the UK to come together.
It was, I can't even find the right word to describe it, because as soon as I found out that the AfroReggae were coming to the UK and they were going to be established at Southbank, I knew I needed to get myself out of there.
So it was a really great opportunity for everyone to inspire each other, talk about the projects, talk about what they have done or what they're going to do.
It was amazing, it was really exciting. I mean, just kind of the build up and kind of having everybody working together to create this atmosphere, these big events where it was also open for the public.
One of the things that gave me great pleasure at Southbank Centre this weekend was to see the other UK groups coming in and participating.
Hey, 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 hey!
Something so infectious that you had members of the audience dancing and, you know, just a really good time at Southbank Centre on that weekend. You can bring people into what you do and have fun. Like when we performed it, we had loads of little toddlers running around, you know middle-aged adults, you know, getting down to the music.
Some of the boys who I saw stand up from various groups, I remember them being, having problems with being excluded from school, they wouldn't come to the groups, having problems with attendance with the AfroReggae workshops, and they were the ones who were standing up and leading those sessions.
In many respects, they're the living proof of everything that's been achieved through this project, and they will carry on being that.
Trazer o que a gente aprendeu lá para as pessoas daqui, de outros lugares, local, país, qualquer lugar. Então é uma felicidade muito grande, porque imagine, você lá convive no tiroteio, no dia a dia, aí de uma hora para outra você acorda já num grupo, que você tem um talento de dançar, um talento de cantar, de tocar e trazer para outras pessoas daqui que já passaram ou estão no nível acima da gente. Então é muito gratificante. Não tem explicação para explicar, porque é muita felicidade.
Estar presente em outros países, outras culturas e de alguma maneira potencializar o nosso branding, a nossa ideologia, a nossa metodologia para públicos tão diferenciados e ao mesmo tempo você perceber que aquilo que foi criado no Rio de Janeiro, mais precisamente nas favelas do Rio de Janeiro, ele consegue mudar, reverberar e transformar a vida de pessoas de outros países e até de outras etnias, isso é muito enriquecedor.
People's Palace Projects and AfroReggae, it's a relationship, so hopefully it will grow and develop and change in the same way that all relationships happen.
having the whole AfroReggae come along and having people around the UK involved is inspiring, and it pushes young people a bit more to have bigger and more creative ideas, because I think if it was just in your little town, then it's just in your little town, but it's not, it's bigger than that.